5 Things you should know about the Sun. Our Sun is a major source of light and heat in the solar system. The connection and interactions between the Sun and the Earth drive the seasons, currents in the ocean, weather, and climate. Throughout history, it has also inspired mythology in almost all cultures, from the ancient Egyptians, Aztecs, Native Americans, to the Chinese. Discover more about the Sun and its place in our solar system. 1. The Sun is the most massive object in the solar system. The Sun contains most of the mass in the solar system. It has more than 99.8% of all the mass of the planets, moons, rings, asteroids, and comets, combined. Here are more statistics about our star. Equatorial radius, 695,500 kilometers. Equatorial circumference, 4,379,000 kilometers. Volume, 1142200 kilometers. 3. Mass, 1989000000000 kg. Density, 1.409 grams per centimeter. 3. Surface area, 6,087,799,000,000 kilometers. 2. Our Sun is actually the closest star to Earth. The Sun is a star. Astronomers consider it to be a yellow dwarf and they refer to it as spectral type G2V. Its size is smaller than many stars in the galaxy. Its age of 4.6 billion years makes it a middle-aged star. While some stars are nearly as old as the universe, about 13.7 billion years, the Sun is a second-generation star, meaning it formed well after the first generation of stars were born. Some of its material came from stars that are long gone. 3. The Sun is made up of distinctive layers and regions. The Sun's energy is produced in the core. That's where hydrogen is fused to form helium, which creates light and heat. Above the core lie the radiative zone and the convective zone. The temperature decreases from 8 million to 7,000 K between the zones. It takes a few 100,000 years for photons of light to escape from the dense core and reach the surface. 4. The Sun has used up about half of the hydrogen in its core since it was born. Over the next 5 billion years or so, the Sun will grow steadily brighter as more helium accumulates in its core. As the supply of hydrogen dwindles, the core must keep producing enough pressure to keep the Sun from collapsing in on itself. The only way it can do this is to increase its temperature. Eventually, it will run out of hydrogen fuel. At that point, it will go through a radical change which will most likely result in the complete destruction of planet Earth. 5. The Sun's strong gravitational pull holds Earth and the other planets in place. It keeps the planets orbiting inside the solar system. The Sun's surface gravity is 274.0 meters per second. 2. By comparison, Earth's gravitational pull is 9.8 meters per second. 2. If you were on a rocket near the surface of the Sun and wanted to escape its gravitational pull, you'd have to accelerate at a speed of 2,223,720 kilometers per hour to get away. That's some strong gravity.